February 3rd, card opening here at work. I thought for a change, and due to some events that happened at home where one of the packs I wanted to open up today was opened, we do a flashback Thursday. So my 3 normal packs of rotation, didn't do the random box, but grabbed a bunch of old wax boxes I have laying around. I've been open for a while, so I thought I'd open them up. So our first pack of flashback Thursday is 1998 Topps. I was trying to figure out why I said flashback, and it should have been throwback, but whatever. Doesn't matter. Old pack Thursday. Got the gun there. There we go. Let's see who we have. A whole bunch of nobody. There's Donnie Baseball. Ah, 88 Topps. That is why you are where you are. As far as the quality of these cards, pretty sharp. Not too bad for quality. Next we have 94. Barry Larkin. Nolan Ryan and Mike Scott. Chris Carpenter. Charlton Fisk. Rafael Palmeiro. Which was an A7, I believe. Yep. That's what we got for 93, and one last old pack. 92 Upper Deck. Ready to flip all around our town. Ken Boyd. Jose Canseco. Oh man, he looks old. Bagwell. All sorts all over the place. Sabo. It's a nice Frank Thomas. Pirates. I like the Frank Thomas. Wasn't too bad. Maybe we'll do Throwback Thursday. Old Thursday, or I don't know. We'll see. Next week, the new ones. We have Alan Gedler. Pete Alonso on the back. Lou Gehrig in the front. Duke Snyder. World Leaders, Italy. And Pete Alonso. I think this is 4. Normally there's always 4. Yeah, there's always 4. I just feel like there's only been 3. Bowman draft. Still don't have the #1 pick yet, which is kind of odd. Maximo Costa, Cal Conley, Abel, Jose Salas, back, Will Benair, Freddie Valdez, Luis Angel Acuna, John Rhodes, Jordan Lawler, Mason Black, Chad Patrick, Sabato, Rhodes, Marciux, and Ramirez. cards. Not a good first there. Finally, we'll end with Mosaic. Citadel, Devers, Kelly, Wendell. What the heck is this? What is going on here? That's interesting. Krennic, Kate Crowder, William Contreras, A-Rod, Luis Garcia, Tanner Hawk. Pretty sure I have a couple autos of him now. Jesus Sanchez is a silver, Scherzer, Productions Bobby Witt Jr., and Dylan Carlson. So the highlight of the thing is a piece of masking tape on the back of a card. But actually, if I had to choose, we'll go old school. I like to go with Frank Thomas. That's all for today. Y'all take care.